Jess, you don't need to put it together. What do you think?
That's the game I'm trying to play.
What is up? Welcome to the Young Adults Barbecue, K-Barbecue. Here we have Bayview, we have Paradise.
When we have big event, I think the food was like 60 grand yesterday.
We have our chef Mint. We have our chef Caleb cooking
Oh, we had
the
some
meats.
stations, and then it was buffet. But
We have
even then,
Noah
like,
right over here.
had
Cheese corn count? Cheese or about kiwi.
What's up? My name is Noah.
introduce yourself.
My name is Marissa.
Introduce yourself.
Pork belly. That's a big thing. I think it's
My
name's Caleb. Caleb, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Casey. I go to Faith Assembly, Filipino, 25, 5'10".
Hi, my name is Kyla. I'm ready to eat.
Oh, what's up? I'm Joey. I love to eat.
Introduce yourself.
No, it was in the youth. It was in like the youth.
That's Jessica, Joey's fiance.
I'm Alexis, and I'm ready to eat. I'm Jen. I'm an introvert. Don't look at me.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Hope.
Hope.
Oh, yo.
Nice to meet you, Hope.
One more time, but
I'm
real.
Jose.
That's Leilani.
My name is Keisha.
Hi, I'm Sierra, and my favorite Korean side dish is cheese corn.
안녕하세요. 이니입니다.
She's actually Marshallese, it's not Korean.
Jen.
I'm Eric. Faith Assembly God.
Is that what you want?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Rachel.
We're all ready to eat. Yum yum in my tummy.
I can do this one. Oh, wow.
You can put it on the side.